This is Greg McCloskey at the Forex Quick for the Euro versus US dollar, brought to you by FXDD. Let's take a look at this. Actually, I want to look at the 5-minute chart in the Euro versus first. We came in today with in the New York session with a very narrow trading range, 65 pips with a high of 136.20, a low of 135.55. These are both spikes along the way, and the market really has a more of a bias in this middle part here, where the market has done most of the trading here. These were extensions to the upside and to the downside. But anyway, the market just broke above this old high here at the 20 level and quickly rejected that level and currently trading at the 136.08 level. It does seem that the market has some eager sellers up above, and that should put a lid back at this 136.20 level. I'm going to use that level as resistance on the top side. On the downside, what I'm going to use as support is our 100 and 200 bar moving average here, at least initially for this currency pair. Those levels currently come in. The 100 bar moving average comes in at 135.91. The 200 comes in at 135.88. So that's where I'll be looking for again support here today on the intraday basis. Taking a look at the hourly chart, if we do break above that 20 level, I would expect higher prices for the currency pair. Whereas the resistance 136.54. What's the significance of 136.54? We have to go back in time. This was an old remembered price, folks, from back, way back when. Going back to February, we had a low here, we had lows here, we had lows here. We used it as a support here. Then we used it as resistance here. We broke above here, but quickly came back through it. Used it as resistance here. Used it as resistance here. So on and so forth. Support again right here. So this level is an old remember price from way back when. That would be our target level on the top side if the market should break above the 20 level. But right now, what are we seeing? We're seeing selling in the euro versus US dollar with a move back toward the 135.91 expected. This is Greg McCloskey with the Forex Quick for the euro versus US dollar.